Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is non-transgenic gene editing techniques. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. As the center investigates allegations that unauthorized genetically modified or GM rice was exported to Europe, it is yet to decide on a research proposal from its own scientists which would allow plants to be genetically modified without the need for conventional transgenic technology. Scientists at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute are in the process of developing resilient and high-yield rice varieties using such gene editing techniques. These have already been approved by many countries, and they hope to have such rice varieties in the hands of the Indian farmers by 2024. Now let's understand what is gene editing. It is a group of technologies that gives scientists the ability to change an organism's DNA. These technologies allow genetic material to be added, removed, or altered at particular locations in the genome. Several approaches to genome editing have been developed. A recent one is known as CRISPR-Cas9, which is short for clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats, and CRISPR-associated protein 9. Now let's understand the application of gene editing. First one, agriculture. It is being tried out in agriculture primarily to increase plant yield, quality, disease resistance, herbicide resistance, and domestication of wild species. Next is genetic research. CRISPR systems are already delivering superior genetic models for fundamental disease research, drug screening and therapy development, rapid diagnostics, in vivo editing and correction of heritable conditions. Next is medical treatment. CRISPR or Cas9 has also been seen as a promising way to create potential genome editing treatments for diseases such as HIV, cancer or sickle cell disease. Researchers in China edited human embryos to try to correct a faulty gene that caused an inherited blood disorder. Last is therapeutic cloning. It is a process whereby embryonic cells are cloned to obtain biological organs for transplantation. Now shifting towards the issues involved. Issues involved are as follows. First is debate in agriculture genetic modification. There are concerns over the inadvertent effects such as the creation of food that can cause an allergic reaction. Two studies, one from the Karolinska Institute, Sweden, and the other from the biopharmaceutical company Novartis, have highlighted that CRISPR-Cas9 edited cells might trigger cancer. Next is genetic inequality. Through gene editing, wealthy parents can buy the latest offspring upgrades for their children. And illegal experimentation. In 2019, a Chinese researcher used the tool to modify a particular gene in the embryo to make babies immune to HIV infection, which led to international furore. Now moving on to the question for today. In which of the following fields can gene editing be applied? 1. Agriculture, 2. Genetic research, 3. Medical treatment, 4. Therapeutic cloning. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.